Hey, welcome to the Big Promo Cast. This show, we like to highlight brands that use custom merch for marketing and promotions to give marketers and business owners some ideas for their own campaigns. We'd really appreciate it if you left a review on Apple Podcasts or Spotify, or even in a comment down below this video. I've got some pretty fun things to talk about this week. Our buddies at the Cheesecake Factory have released a new line of merch for their rewards people. Did you see what Pringles did with Crocs? That's kind of fun. The people that bought all those tracksuits at the Super Bowl for DunKings, well, they're not happy because they still don't have their tracksuits, and it's been a long time. And then our buddies at Dramamine have decided to embrace barf bags. Anyway, it's kind of fun. Let's get into it. Our buddies at the Cheesecake Factory have just launched a cake merch line. It includes t-shirts, sweatshirts, cups, beach towels, tote bags, and mugs, inspired by their iconic brand designs. You know, if you were going to tell me about Cheesecake Factory brand, what does it look like to me? I wouldn't be able to tell you. But, you know, they think they have a brand, so I guess I'll go along with it. They're going to release more merch collections throughout the rest of 2024. You have to be a rewards member to get in on any of this stuff. And you still have to buy it. And when you become a rewards member, you also get perks like online reservations and a free birthday cake cheese slice. Isn't that nice? Now, in addition to the merch, they're also going to offer new menu items.
As if they need new menu items at the Cheesecake Factory.
Jeez Louise. I mean, they've got a lot of stuff. I went there once. I was not impressed. But anyway, that's the way it goes. So they've got a merch line, and there's nothing groundbreaking over here, but they do have some fun things. Like, and there's some great photography. View all the merch. What's up with these hoodies changing colors? Oh, different colors, brown or bone. Okay, that makes sense. That's a nice look with a little subtle logo on it. Doesn't say cheesecake on it. It just says, oh, it has cheesecake down the sleeve. Well, it's not very subtle, but it's kind of subtle. It's tone on tone. I like that. What else do we have? Let's look at bags. Oh, I got one of these. See this thing? It says it's in the bag. Thing looks huge, right? But it's not. It's this thing. It's this big. But it's cool because it folds up. Here's the overhead. So here's the bag, and I'm trying to get this unfolded. Come on, dumb thing, unfold. See, it's like its own little envelope, so it unfolds like that. It's all sewn together. Then you unfold it, and it's a big, huge fold-up bag. Kind of cool. So it's kind of nice. If you're going to take a bag to the beach or something, then you have this little pocket. You have this little pocket thing to put stuff in if you want. And you fold it back up and you can put it in that little thing, and that's that. Now the cost on this bad boy, the cost on this thing is, let's see, $18. That's not so bad. I bought one. If you want it, you can have it or whatever. I'll probably give it to my assistant. Amber could use something like that with all her damn kids. Beach towel is really cool. $45 for a beach towel? Not so bad. You know, here's a tip too. When you're doing beach towels, people don't want a big fat logo across the middle. They like the corner thing. They like the small, subtle, deal. Nobody needs a huge, big logo. Nobody wants to be a billboard for you. The mugs are fun. Peace and love. I love that. Slice, slice, baby. That's a good saying. It's clever. That's the way to do it. People are all about clever merch. I mean, the bag with the Cheesecake Factory on the one side, I guess that's okay. But the clever stuff is better. This is my date night shirt. It's a piece of cake. Peace and love. I like that. So yeah, this is real good stuff. The Cheesecake Factory did good. If anything new comes out, we'll be sure to let you know about it. That's all I have for the Cheesecake Factory. Our buddies at Pringles are at it again. Or our buddies at Crocs are at it again. I don't know which one. But they have come up with a collab, Pringles x Crocs collection. Some pretty fun stuff in here. They've got the regular shoes that you've seen before, which are just regular Crocs, and they have the little strap that goes around your heel. That's actually the mustache for the Pringles guy. Oh, there it is. You can see it in this video. The little mustache goes across the top, but it's the heel. It's pretty funny. These are the regular shoes. The cool thing are these boots, these crazy Crocs boots. They're huge. They have can holders, Pringles can holders on each side. They've got a little potato crisp on the back end spoiler. A little bitty pocket that holds little treats. I don't know what kind of treats they are. Also, they're tall, so for the short kings. They have taller lifts in them, I guess, or something like that.
Yes!
This is a little hype box. This little gift box that they all came in. Pretty cool. The highlight of the Pringles Crocs collection is the Crush boot. It's a boot with the stacked potato crisp heel and a custom Pringles can holder for snacking. It's pretty cool. The collection also includes Pringles-inspired classic Crocs clogs and slides with the Mr. P mustache designs. These boots are outrageous. I mean, I don't know who would wear them. They're awesome, but man, they're over the top. These shoes are terrific, though. I love the shit out of them. Little gibbets are cool. They've got a little Pringles guy. They've got a can. They've got a chip. They've got the Pringles logo, little bow tie thing. These are the slides. Slides are cool. Nobody made a big deal about the slides. The gibbets are awesome. We've got a can. We've got the Pringles guy. The bow tie's not in here. Interesting. Anyway, if you wanted to buy the boots, it's over. It's too late. You can't get them. But you can't get on the mailing list, so that's kind of cool. And they're going to say winners. I don't know if the winners bought them or if they won them. These are the ones you can still get. And I guess they're mixed up colors. You get a red one and an orange one, or you get a blue one and a green one. Red, orange, blue, green. So that's kind of cool that they mix them up like that. Again, there's the mustache for the heel on the back. So you can do that. You can wear them that way, or you can wear them with the mustache on the front. You look better with a mustache on the front, but that's just me. Takeaway on this is do a collab. Find a business with similar interests, similar demographic maybe. Maybe you're a fun restaurant and a bar and you team up with a game place down the street around the corner, something like that, and figure out something you could do with people. Sell it to them or give it to them. You could do a shirt that's both your brands on it. You could do gibbets for sure. Yeah, do that. Do some Crocs gibbets. Do some for you and some for your partner. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. Crocs, Pringles, knocking it out. Remember we talked about the Dunkin' Donuts tracksuits from the DunKings, the fake band with Tom Brady and Ben Affleck and Matt Damon, auditioning for Jennifer Lopez's album.
We talked about this.
It was funny. It was an awesome commercial. And they sold the tracksuits. They claimed to have sold out in 19 minutes. I don't know if they did 10,000. I don't know if they did 1,000. I don't know if they did 10, but they sold out in 19 minutes. It was all the rage. They were telling everybody 8 to 10 days. Fast forward to last month, people still hadn't got them. People were pissed.
Where is it?
This was April 5th in Boston.com. Has anybody actually received their DunKings tracksuits? They did have some politicians, like the governor got one. This was on March 17th. So still not 2 weeks after the Super Bowl, but still. They got theirs, and the comments on that are horrible. People just rip into the governor. Politicians can't do anything. The delivery challenges undermined Dunkin's viral DunKings merch. I guess there was something about the people that were making them were dropping the ball. I don't know. Maybe they were just overwhelmed with orders. I don't have any idea. But it's not a good look. Dunkin finally came out and said, we're going to give everybody a $25 gift card, and we're still going to deliver the goods. You know, actually, that's not so bad. Dunkin cited fulfillment issues with partners causing delays, and it's offering $25 gift cards to affected customers. That's cool. The people that run the online store say that unprecedented demand caused the delays. You know, you got to be set up. The situation highlights e-commerce fulfillment challenges like unreliable suppliers impacting customer experience. That's for sure. Look at our buddies at Fanatics. Oh, they're crazy. They've still got exclusives. I can't believe it. You got to do everything right. Well, here's the original tweet when they started selling them on February 12th. I guess that was the day of the Super Bowl or maybe the day after. Now people started getting them. In fact, this is just 27 minutes ago today is May 15th. So people did start receiving them. This guy just got the jacket. I don't know if he ordered other stuff, but he just got the jacket. These other Funkos started delivering, these Funko Pop guys. This guy got the whole ensemble. He got his Funko Pop. This guy got his. There's his tracksuit. Why wouldn't you put it on and wear it, man? There's a new king in town, says Interdimensional Dave. Anyway, so they did start delivering. Oh, here we go. Your order's on the way. This guy got his thing. So they're starting to deliver now. But man, does anybody even care anymore? How long ago was the Super Bowl? I don't know, man. You got to do better than that. Processing individual e-commerce orders requires many manual touch points, hindering operational efficiency. No, it doesn't. Just make tracksuits. You said you were going to sell them, so make them and sell them. You knew they were going to sell. You knew people were going to buy them. It's not like a surprise. Transparency, over-communication, and consistent management are advised to maintain client trust. I agree with that. You got to communicate. You got to tell people what's up. You can't wait till they start complaining. Because once they start complaining, oh no, it's all over. You've already lost it. You got to control the narrative. That's all I have about Dunkin. I'm glad people are starting to get their stuff. If I ordered that stuff and it wasn't delivered, I would be mad. And here it is summertime. Who's going to need a jacket? I don't know. It's funny. Maybe in Boston. You guys know about Dramamine, right? Dramamine is a motion sickness medicine over the counter. So if you're going on a plane or a Maybe you're going on a boat ride. You're going to get motion sickness. You're going to need a barf bag, or you're going to need Dramamine. So what has been found out is that the barf bag is becoming obsolete because Dramamine exists. It's kind of a sad story. But they made a documentary.
The Last Barf Bag.
I want to play a clip.
Dear Dramamine, hello, my name is Bruce Kelly. I'm writing you on behalf of the barf bag community.
Have you ever used a barf bag before?
Never did. I used the ground.
Use the ground?
That's it. Just throw it up and that's it. You gotta blow in it first.
Every bag you see here is a different airline.
Wow.
So anyway, turns out that there is a market for people that collect these things. There is actually an air sickness bag virtual museum. This is, people have sent theirs in all over the place. The video we just saw shows people that have
Tons of them in their house for no reason.
that's what they wanted to start collecting back in the day. So here you can go random bag of the day. Oh, here's a list of the bags that are on this thing. Another random bag, Shandong Airlines. I guess if you refresh this, you get a different bag every time. It's pretty funny. And these are just bags that people have submitted. And this video also celebrates the graphic design of barf bags and even inspired Dramamine to create their own line of collectible barf bag products. And these are pretty cool. And they're funny. It's a stocking, it's a chef's hat, it's a puppet. So guess what? I have for you, dear listeners. I have an unboxing. I have got a bag of
Barf bags.
Let's see what we got. Whoops. Well, look, they even sent me some Dramamine sickness pills for kids. They sent me, this one is a vase. So this bag can be used as a vase. This is not a barf bag. This is a popcorn bag. Not a barf bag. With Dramamine, you don't need a barf bag. So fill this with popcorn and go watch a movie. This is a chef's hat. And this one's upside down, which is kind of funny because you unfold it and it becomes a chef's hat. Ho, ho, ho. That's pretty funny. What else do we have? This is an envelope, like a mailing envelope. Looks like an airmail envelope. That's kind of funny. I like this one. And this one's another one of those upside down one. It's a puppet. With Dramamine, you may not need a barf bag. So turn it upside down, stick your hand inside, and use it as a hand puppet. I don't know, maybe. Maybe that works. It's a funny idea, though. This is not a barf bag. It's a glove? Okay, I could see that. Make useless barf bags useful. This is not a barf bag. It's a crack up. It's a cooler. You can use this as an ice cooler to chill your drink. Little penguin on there. He's kind of fun. It's a stocking, like a Christmas stocking. You can use this to decorate your home during the holiday season. Okay, I'll take that. It's a gift bag. Oh, of course. Yeah, you always need a gift bag around the house. In fact, we should have these all over the place. You can only see it in the camera, though. I need to switch to this one. Can you see that?
Nice.
This last one is my favorite. It's a coloring page. Make useless bags less useful. So stay inside the lines or don't. You're the artist. And it even came with a little box of crayons, a little pack of crayons. So you can hand it to your kids. They can color the llama. They can color the plane. They can fill in all the stuff. It's kind of fun. I like how my brands poke fun at themselves. It's fun. It's fun. And these, these aren't not useful. I mean, they could be useful. They're still barf bags, so you can still barf in them if you wanted to. But if you've got Dramamine, you probably don't need to. Anyway, it's another fun thing. Everything is merch, right? That's the takeaway. Anything can be merch. That's what these are. So these bags are $5 each, or you can buy this assortment that I bought for $10. Oh, that's sold out now, but you can still piece it together. There's some that are sold out. Anyway, this puffer jacket was not on here when I bought these bags. I would have loved to have had this jacket. $7.50 for a barf bag puffer jacket. Man, that would have been cool. Anyway, man, that's terrific. Sorry I missed that one. I've got an office full of merch. Do I need anything else in here? I don't know. This engaging, humorous approach is praised as a welcome alternative to typical dry advertising. And that documentary, 15 minutes, it's pretty good. It's a lot better than you think it would be. I mean, Dramamine's got their own kind of tongue-in-cheek humor about what they do. I mean, that's what you have to do all day is you make motion sickness pills. It's really cool that people can have fun with what they do. That's all I have for that one. Okay, folks, that's all I have for this one. If you liked it, tell your friends. If you didn't like it, tell your friends. See you next time. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you one more video. Sorry. How's it? Over here? It's over here. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you 2 more videos right here. Pick one of those. What a mess. What a deal. End.